Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising. Tignan natin kung ano yung parating sa inyo in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayan. So, another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Aries, next 2 weeks, what's the energy? Friendship. Oh, baka aring may bago kayong kaibigan in the next 2 weeks, or you will connect more, you will socialize more. Maari ring may mga share ka sa friends mo in the next 2 weeks, like important things in your life. Maaring may gifting na mangyayari na because of the abundance here. You're going to share your blessings with your friends, ay mga kasama mo, community mo. And this is also about, getting what you really deserve, no? Ito yung reward mo sa iyong mga pinagpaguran, trinabaho. Oo, in the past few months. Maaari rin merong friend na mag-share ng abundance nila sa'yo. Okay? Also have the strength card. So this is about your stability. So maaring in the next 2 weeks, you will focus on your stability, your finances, your health, no? Yung kalusugan mo, yung strength mo. Endurance, yung stamina mo. Okay, let's see your overall energy. Ang laki kasi ng cards. Ang haba niya. Overall energy for Aries. Okay. It's all over the place. Ganito na lang. For Aries, overall energy. 8 of Cups. Oh, leaving a situation. Leaving something behind na hindi na fulfilling sa'yo. So, maaaring meron kang iwanan na bagay, sitwasyon sa buhay mo na hindi na siya fulfilling. Kasi, ipupurso mo na kung saan ka masaya, saan ka mas magiging fulfilled sa buhay. So, yung iba, kahit na feeling nyo, parang nakakatakot siyang ipursu kasi, kumbaga, hindi kayo pamilyar doon. Pero, andun yung excitement, no? You have the strength that you need. And I feel like, merong ding mga malalapit sa buhay mo na nagbibigay sa iyo ng gabay or suporta sa gagawin mo. Now, your challenge is the 5 of Wands. So, this is about competition. So, maaring you feel na you need to step up in the next 2 weeks to compete, to show the world, no, kung ano talaga yung mga kakayanan mo. Maari ring mas magiging kayong bold, no? When I say bold, it's like you will step into your Aries energy na lalakas loob ka na ipakita yung iyong galing, yung talento mo, and willing ka na makipagsabayan, no, sa iba. Para maipakita mo rin yung galing mo, yung talento mo, yung kakayanan mo. Yan, palaban, oo. Challenge yan sa'yo kasi kailangan mas magkaroon ka ng lakas ng loob na lumaban. Now, your opportunity is, the Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, as an opportunity, this is a new beginning. Pagdating sa trabaho, kaperahan, maaring new source of income. This is also, like, kumbaga nakakakita ka na ng magandang panimula pagdating sa mga plano mo. Kumbaga nagmamaterialize na yung plano mo and you are finally doing it. You are finally starting fresh, starting a new opportunity sa buhay mo na nagtitake action ka na. Especially that you are leaving a situation. Okay? Now, your blessing. What is the blessing for Aries in the next 2 weeks? Oh, 10 of Cups. Happiness. Oh my God. Oh, merong happiness, merong stability. This is family matters, may fulfillment. So, dun sa mga Aries dyan na nagbabalak na umalis sa isang sitwasyon na you feel na hindi na kayo aligned dyan or hindi na fulfilling, just go for it. If you feel na yun talaga yung kailangan yung gawin, do it. Kasi ito, you will be blessed with happiness, with fulfillment. Kumbaga, mahanap mo talaga yung gusto mo. Yung fulfillment, yung stability na hinahanap mo. Okay, let's see your money, career, finances in the next 2 weeks. Money, career, finances. The 9 of Wands. Okay, so ito yung pagiging matyaga. Okay? Marunong din tumiming. Kumbaga, ginawa mo yung best mo, ginagawa mo yung best mo to make things work for you sa career, sa trabaho. Even if nahihirapan ka, but alam mo sa sarili mo na you will get what you really deserve. No? Hindi ni-deserve mo na rewards. Ayan, no? So, this can be rewarding, pero syempre, hindi siya madali. Hindi siya madaling makuha. Kailangan may effort. Now, for your love life, tingnan natin ang love life. For the love life, okay. The Eight of Wands. Okay, so sa love life, some of you, maaring may mga kakausapin kayo romantically or may mga taong interesado sa inyo kasi mga messages coming through. Meron mga taong interested sa inyong galing, talento, or merong mga nagpapapansin sa inyo. You may also be traveling with a person na malapit sa'yo romantically, but for some of you kasi pwedeng meron kayong, marami kayong binibigyan ng attention or parang marami kayong tawag nito, marami kayong kinakausap. Oo. So, it's up to you kung sino dito ang mapipili mo. But for some of you kasi ang nakikita ko rito, kung wala kayong romantic partner ha, ang focus nyo, ang inyong career, yung happiness nyo, yung sarili nyong fulfillment sa buhay. But if you are in a relationship, I think meron kayong importante pag-uusapan ng partner mo regarding sa mga plano mo moving forward. Self-regulation, exalted moon. Regulating your emotions. Oo, kasi syempre, minsan nakakapag-desisyon tayo ng mga bagay-bagay na hindi naman talaga natin gusto kasi nagpapadala lang tayo sa emosyon natin. Hindi lang desisyon yun pati yung mga bagay na nagagawa natin, nasasabi natin. So you have to make sure na you are deciding from a self-regulated emotion. Or yung mga sasabihin mo, yung mga bibitawan mong salita, decision mo ay nanggagaling sa regulated emotion. Okay? Yung bang hindi ka pa dalos-dalos. So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.